yeah. Just pop in the oven. That shit's kind of eggs.
And spinach I don't like. Those are the only two things.
It's just the doorbirds. Don't be alarmed. It's okay.
Yeah. Next up is the fresh bread.
Project Prokeeze. Teasy. There's the freezer door. There's a fridge door. That is a huge ass door. Oh my god. Wow.
Just grab them really hard and squeeze them. See, someone didn't even have the stew and they think it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty good stuff.
Yeah, it was really good. I still wish I could have gone back to cut a little bit better, but
Yeah, that's alright.
still good though.
Well, at least you didn't choke on it.
You know, that's a fair thing. Let's go with that. I'll take that. Man.
Oh boy. Here it comes.
Blue stuff in there too.
Ooh. Oh my.
You went?
Yep.
Alright, honestly, let's put this down. We're going to undo the straps and manuals and get it in there. Because we got that AC system up there. We're going in with the straps, we're going to knock it right off. So we're going to 45 it. Oh, still look tight though, bro. Nope, it fits.
Oh, it fits.
I'm going to tilt it back towards me. You grab the bottom, and I'm going to walk the top in. Alright, right here, what do you got, bottom? Pick it up, pick it up. Yeah, there we go. Alright, hold it down. Let me in my hand. And we made it into the room.
Awesome.
It might sound like a dumb question, but it is going right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I kind of figured, but you'd be surprised to run the
Hey, Mom. Good. They putting it in currently. Oh yeah, no, we're gonna do that. They're gonna put the doors back on it, and then it'll be all set. Yep, that's already outside.
When you put the doors on, all your handles and things, they just snap right in.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch your doors back on.
Alright, Mom, we don't have to do that.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, I saw
Hold on,
that.
bro. I'm gonna need to lay this down one more time.
I saw the poles that were connected. Oh yeah, no, it's the same frame as the one that was in the basement.
That don't smell like everything right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too good.
I had to. I walked out. I said, it smells like something.
I saw
He
this.
said, I said, that's exactly what it smelled like. See?
Greatly, greatly appreciate it.
Oh, man.
Oh my god, it just fits. Awesome.
I did plug it in.
Yeah.
So you can hear it running now.
Oh wow.
Before it gets cold, you can take everything out.
Yeah.
And pop it on. But in all reality, like the only way I could get it in is taking the doors off. We're not really allowed to go inside of it because of COVID reasons. So taking the doors off is the only way I can get it in.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
No. Here's the tip.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much, sir. And I just need one more thing from you.
Share it with your buddy, and
Oh, most definitely.
that was awesome.
And this is for Miss Judith Lyon?
Yeah, that's my mother.
Yes, sir. Okay, just on paper. Let me just get a signature from you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, Jake.
There you go.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Y'all have a great day.
You
Awesome.
too.
Thanks,
Please
dude.
try to stay warm.
Oh, we'll try.
Please keep up the stew cooking because it smells marvelous.
Yeah.
In there.
Thanks, dude.
Y'all have a good one, all right?
You too.
Awesome. Have a great one, man.
All right.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day.
Good day, man. Awesome.